You were not born weak. You became weak, slowly. One lazy morning at a time. One excuse at a time. One promise to yourself that you never kept. And now you wake up tired, not because life is hard, but because deep down, you know you are wasting your potential. That is the dangerous part. A weak man with no direction becomes a prisoner to comfort. A weak man with no discipline becomes controlled by emotion. And a weak man who refuses to change will slowly destroy his own future. Most men never notice this happening. They scroll for hours. They avoid discomfort. They wait for motivation. They complain about their lives while repeating the same habits every single day. And then one day, they look in the mirror and realize they became someone they do not respect. But dangerous men are different. Not dangerous because they hurt people. Dangerous because they can no longer be controlled by weakness. And it starts with habits. The first habit is waking up when you said you would. Simple, but powerful.
Because every time you break your own word, your mind learns you cannot be trusted. Discipline is not built in the gym first. It is built in the small moments when nobody is watching. The second habit is learning to stay silent. Weak men talk too much. They announce goals. They seek validation. They want attention before results. Dangerous men move quietly. They build in silence. And when success arrives, it shocks everyone. The third habit is training your body, even when you do not feel like it. Your body affects your mind. When you move like a weak man, you think like one. But when you train through pain, through tiredness, through resistance, you teach yourself that discomfort will not control you anymore. The fourth habit is cutting distractions without mercy. Your attention is your life.
Every useless video, every toxic friend, every hour wasted scrolling is stealing the future version of you. Most men are not tired. They are distracted. The fifth habit is keeping promises to yourself. If you say you will wake up early, do it. If you say you will study, do it. If you say you will change your life, prove it. Because confidence does not come from motivation. It comes from evidence. The sixth habit is spending time alone. Not to feel lonely, but to think, to reflect, to understand yourself, to face the truth without noise. Most men are terrified of silence because silence exposes who they really are. And the seventh habit is choosing pain on purpose.
Reading when your mind wants entertainment. Working when your body wants rest. Continuing when your emotions want to quit. That is where transformation begins. Because every time you choose discipline over comfort, you kill the weak version of yourself. And after enough days, enough painful mornings, enough moments of resistance, you become unrecognizable. Not because life became easier, but because you became stronger. Right now, there are two versions of you fighting for control.
One wants comfort. The other wants greatness. One wants excuses. The other wants respect. And the decision is being made by what you do today. Not tomorrow, not next month. Today. Because the habits you repeat in private will decide the man you become in public.